Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing FoodTech quiz number 36, topic microbial growth. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's number one online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. The most common mode of cell division in bacteria is options A. Binary fission, B. Transverse binary fission, C. Longitudinal binary fission, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Longitudinal binary fission. Question number 2. The orderly increase in quantity of all the cellular components is known as options A. Reproduction, B. Growth, C. Binary fission, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Growth. Question number 3. How much time a bacterium take for the complete duplication? Options A. 30 minutes, B. 10 minutes, C. 20 minutes, D. 25 minutes. Correct answer C. 20 minutes. Question number 4. The generation time is dash. Options A. The time required for the cell to divide, B. The total division of the cell during its lifetime, C. The total number of cells formed, D. None of these. Correct answer C. The total number of cells formed. Question number 5. In bacteria, the increase in population is in the manner options A. Geometric progression, B. Multiplication, C. Doubling, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Geometric progression. Question number 6. Physiologically, the cells are active and synthesizing new protoplasm in which stage of the growth in bacteria? Options A. Log phase, B. Lag phase, C. Stationary phase, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Stationary phase. Question number 7. The most active stage in sigmoid curve of bacteria in which maximum growth is attained? Options A. Lag phase, B. Stationary phase, C. Decline phase, D. Log phase. Correct answer D. Log phase. Question number 8. Culture medium used for fungus is options A. Savaron's medium, B. Nutrient agar, C. Nutrient broth, D. Minimal agar medium. Correct answer A. Savaron's medium. Question number 9. The number of generations per hour in a bacteria is options A. Growth rate, B. Generation time, C. Sigmoid curve, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Generation time. Question number 10. In the sigmoid curve or growth curve of bacteria, how many stages are there? Options A. 3, B. 4, C. 2, D. 5. Correct answer B. 4. Question number 11. The production rate is equal to death rate in which stage? Options A. Decline phase, B. Stationary phase, C. Lag phase, D. Log phase. Correct answer D. Log phase. Question number 12. Minimum growth temperature is options A. The growth of organisms at lowest temperature, B. The lowest temperature at which the microorganisms grow, C. The maximum temperature at which the growth is stable, D. None of these. Correct answer B. The lowest temperature at which the microorganisms grow. Question number 13. Optimum growth temperature is greater than 45 degrees Celsius is options A. Mesophiles, B. Thermophiles, C. Psychrophiles, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Mesophiles. Question number 14. The organisms which can grow both in presence of and absence of oxygen. Options A. Aerobes, B. Anaerobes, C. Facultative anaerobes, D. Strict aerobes. Correct answer C. Facultative anaerobes. Question number 15. The organisms which can grow best in the presence of a low concentration of oxygen. Options A. Aerophilic, B. Microaerophilic, C. Aerophilic, D. Anaerobic. Correct answer B. Microaerophilic. Question number 16. The compound that is added to the medium to absorb oxygen for the creation of anaerobic conditions. Options A. Sodium thioglycolate, B. Nitrous acid, C. Citrate, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Nitrous acid. Question number 17. The utilization of light energy to divide the synthesis of ATP is called as options A. Photolysis, B. Photophosphorylation, C. Photosynthesis, D. Respiration. Correct answer C. Photosynthesis. Question number 18. During cyclic photophosphorylation, NADP is formed or not? Options A. No NADP formed, B. No NADP utilization, C. NADP is converted into NADPH, D. All are correct. Correct answer A. No NADP formation. Question number 19. Cyclic phosphorylation is generally present in options A. Cyanobacteria, B. Algae, C. Bacteria, D. Plants. Correct answer A. Cyanobacteria. Question number 20. The main product of glycolysis under aerobic condition is options A. Pyruvate, B. Lactate, C. None of these, D. Both A and B. Correct answer A. Pyruvate. Question number 21. The protein moiety of an enzyme is known as options A. holoenzyme, B. apoenzyme, C. coenzyme, D. enzyme. Correct answer B. apoenzyme. Question number 22. Artificial transformation in laboratory is carried out by treating the cells with options A. NgCl2, B. CaCl2, C. NaCl, D. HCl. Correct answer B. CaCl2. Question number 23. The process of formation of mesozygote is called options A. Meromixis, B. Exozygote, C. Mitosis, D. Meiosis. Correct answer A. Meromixis. Question number 24. Which of the following organisms requires tryptophan for growth? Options A. H. influenza, B. Vibrio, C. Gonococcus, D. H. typhi. Correct answer D. Salmonella typhi. Question number 25. Tubercular bacilli grow best in options A. Absence of oxygen, B. Presence of carbon dioxide, C. Presence of oxygen, D. None of these. Correct answer B. Presence of carbon dioxide. Question number 26. Mycotoxins are formed during the end of options A. Lag phase, B. Log phase, C. Death phase, D. Stationary phase. Correct answer A. Lag phase. Question number 27. Nitrates are oxidized to nitrates by a organism. Options A. Nitrosomonas, B. Nitrosococcus, C. Nitrobacter, D. Acidobacter. Correct answer C. Nitrobacter. Question number 28. The major constituents in agar are Options A. Fats, B. Amino acids, C. Polysaccharides, D. Polypeptides. Correct answer C. Polysaccharides. Question number 29. Example of anaerobic medium. Options A. Wilson Blair medium, B. McConkey broth, C. Robertson's cooked meat medium, D. EMB agar. Correct answer C. Robertson's cooked meat medium. Question number 30. The first phase of a growth curve is options A. Log phase, B. Lag phase, C. None of these, D. Both A and B. Correct answer B. Lag phase. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. These are the newly launched courses in Unacademy Plus. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.